Hey, this is Lewis from SoFly. In this video, I'll show you how to use the icon box element inside of Oxygen. So to add an icon box to your pages, go to Add, Helpers, Icon Box. And I want these inside a section, so I will go ahead and add in a section. And let's add a columns. Let's do 3 columns. And I'll just go ahead and drag my icon box inside the first column. So I'm going to put 3 of these in a row, icon box here, here, and here, and I want to style them all the same way. So before I start styling the icon box, let's add a class to it. This will allow us to apply the same styles to all of the icon boxes that use that class. So to add a class, just click the ID of the icon box. This pops up the Enter Class Name field. I will call this My Icon Box and hit Enter or press Add Class. Now we've added a class to the icon box. Let's do the same to the icon in the box. So choose a selector to edit, enter class name, I'll call this My Icon, enter. And now let's duplicate this icon box into the other columns. Let's drag that over and drag that over. Okay, now we have 3 icon boxes in a row, and we will be able to style them all by just editing the styles in one place because we've assigned this My Icon Box class. Okay, now let's talk about the styling options for the icon box. So first we have layout and spacing. So this controls the alignment of content in the icon box. That's content alignment. We can have left, center, or right. Let's go with left for now. We get an icon position. That can be top, which is the default, left, right, bottom. Let's go with a left position for now. We have icon vertical alignment, be top, middle, bottom. Let's go with top for now. Then we can have space before the icon, space after the icon, space above the heading, space below the heading, space above the text, space below the text. We also have this link area. You can add a link or button into the icon box and it'll show up below the text in the icon box. For example, here's a button. It's too long, I'll just call this click here. Now if we go back to the icon box here, we can adjust the space above and below that button. But I'm not going to add buttons to these icon boxes, so let's just click that and delete. And notice how when we adjust the layout, because we're using a class, it adjusts it for all of our icon boxes, all at one time. Okay, let's go ahead and use these settings here. And now let's move on to the responsive settings for the icon box. So right now the icon box is stacked vertically. See, icon, then below it vertically, the heading, and then the text. But if we were to use, say, an icon position of left, content alignment left, then maybe on small screens, we'd want to stack the icon box vertically. So to do that, we'd go back to responsive, choose vertical layout below, let's say below 768, we'll go vertical. And now it's a vertical layout instead of a horizontal layout. Icon shows to the side on desktop, and at less than 768 shows vertically. And then we can adjust the content alignment on responsive. We can make it center when it's responsive, and like this when we're on desktop. And then we have our typography settings. So from the typography settings, we can adjust heading and text style. So these are just the normal typography settings you're used to. We could change a font family, colors, font weight, line height, etc. Okay, then to style the icon in the icon box, simply click the icon, and this is just an Oxygen icon element, and you can adjust styles as you wish. We can go no icon style, we can go solid, outline. Let's go with the solid icon style. Let's go with an icon size of 30. Let's do a background color of blue here. Icon color of white. And then let's go back to the icon box. And let's change the layout here. Let's do a little more space after the icon. Okay, that looks pretty good. That is how to use Oxygen's icon box element. Thank you very much for watching.